Did you know that nearly 45% of Americans try a new diet every year? That's almost half the population constantly chasing the next big thing in weight loss. This year, Anna, decided to be one of them, but with a twist. I'm trying the most talked about diet trends to see which one actually works. First up, the green smoothie detox. The promise? Rapid weight loss and boosted energy through a diet of primarily green smoothies. For 5 days, breakfast, lunch, and a snack consisted of blended greens. It's green. Very, very green, Anna said, sipping the smoothie with a forced smile. Anna's enthusiasm waned as the days went on. By day 3, she admitted to craving anything that wasn't liquid and green. By day 5, the smoothie diet ended. Anna said that she lost 2 pounds, but felt constantly hungry and missed solid food. Next, the color-coded diet. This involves eating only foods of a specific color each day. Monday is red, Tuesday is green, and so on. Okay, so today's red day. Tomatoes, strawberries, red peppers. This is surprisingly limiting, Anna remarked, slightly exasperated. Anna found the diet creatively challenging but nutritionally unbalanced. She felt the color-coded diet was unsustainable long-term. Finally, the high-fiber frenzy. This diet focuses on consuming large amounts of fiber-rich foods to promote satiety and improve digestion. All right, week 3. Bring on the beans. I'm determined to feel full for once, Anna declared with determination. Anna felt significantly more satisfied on this diet. She lost another pound, but also experienced some, shall we say, digestive adjustments. She noted that fiber is great, but moderation is key. After weeks of trendy diets, Anna reflects on her experiences. So the verdict? Each diet had its pros and cons. The green smoothie detox was quick but unsustainable. The color-coded diet was fun but restrictive. The high-fiber frenzy, well, let's just say proceed with caution. Ultimately, I realized that the best diet isn't about trends. It's about balance and listening to your body, Anna thought to herself. Anna learned a valuable lesson. Sustainable lifestyle changes trump fleeting diet fads. Her experience encourages viewers to approach dieting with a critical eye and prioritize their overall health. As Anna looked back over the weeks, she realized how much she had learned beyond dietary lessons. You know, it's fascinating how each challenge taught me something new. Not just about food, but about patience and self-awareness, Anna reflected thoughtfully. Anna shared her newfound insights with her friends, sparking conversations about mindful eating and personal health journeys. Every step was worth it, even the tricky parts.